This is what we're doing today. We're adding an outlet. I'm putting the screw through the back into the wood. So you're gonna need some sort of little extension just to get in there with your drill. You're gonna need a place for your wire. It's always a good idea to be extra safe when working with electricity. Even though I know that this side has not been wired up. Check it. Everything looks good. Alright, so now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to strip these wires back. One of these two wires right here is your hot wire. Alright, so I've now wired it all together. I got a boo-boo. These wires are pretty stiff, so sometimes you kind of make sure she's flush. Alright. Oh, I like to put electrical tape on the back side of it, around the wires. I also reuse my electrical tape if I can, to save the fish. There you go.